Hey my little Barbie dolls, it's me, it's Bree, and I'm back with another video. Yes, I called y'all my Barbie dolls. I think I'm gonna just call it my Barbie dolls. Even if you're a guy, because they have men Barbie dolls, and like, you know, Barbie dolls is for everyone. Barbie dolls are cute. Barbie dolls are fashionable. Barbie dolls are the what? You know. But yeah, in today's video, this will be my first makeup video in 2020. Okay, I know it's late, but I've been going through a lot. I will let y'all know in a previous video or the next video. I'm gonna let y'all know what's been going on with little old me. But in today's video, I will be doing a little simple eyeliner, glitter eyeliner tutorial. Anyway, it's from Lynn. I think her name is Lynn. I don't know how to pronounce it. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Don't know. But I was inspired to do a look just like this. Wait, just like this. And I'm gonna recreate it. Well, I'm not gonna do the exact look like her. She used blue. I'm gonna do red, you know, red. Just because it's February and it's time for Valentine's Day. I hope everybody got a Valentine, because I don't think I have a Valentine. I hope I have a Valentine. I mean, you never know. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, or if you're going to, or whatever. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, like it. Well, that is the same thing as thumbs up, but you know what I mean. And don't forget to subscribe, you know. You see it? So click it if you see it, girl. Boy. What? Okay. I'll see y'all later. Bye. Okay, anyways, I'm back. Hey. I don't know if I want this to be a voiceover or do I want it to be just talk. Depending on how long the video is and how loud everyone is when they come home, because right now it's February 2nd. Super Bowl day, and like I really don't care about it, so but they do, so it might be loud, so I might talk in half of the video and the other half I might just do a voiceover, because you know everybody loud. Like, don't get that serious. Y'all not getting paid for the video for football. Okay, her name is Lea Nicole. She's from Atlanta, Georgia. Shout her out because she do bomb makeup, bomb eyeshadow, everything's bomb. Y'all go follow her. I'll leave her Instagram down below. I like about her Instagram and her eyeshadow looks. She do a demonstration. Well, she don't do a video. She do like, she take pictures in different shots of step 1, do this, step 2, do that, step 3, do that, do that, do that. Like, you can't mess up. Like, if you mess up, you're just not following instructions. You're not taking your time, okay? Period. I'm gonna put it somewhere right here. Okay? It says, step 1, start with a base / primer and add a transitional color. Today I'll be using the crayon case palette. With a base, you can use concealer, you can use foundation, whatever is your preference, you know? And it's kind of good to use, no matter what skin type you are, it's kind of good to use a light foundation or a light concealer. Like, sometimes I use white. I know, I'm not tripping. But the white is like, it brings out the color. So, you know, make the color pop.
I'll be using the Maybelline New York Infallible Concealer in shade Sand.
We're just gonna take a fluffy brush and blend. Blend. Step 2, deepen the crease. I did not say that. Deepen with a slightly darker brown, meaning not too dark, not too light, just like the perfect amount. So I'm gonna use 10. Y'all see it, 10. And tip 101. When you go into your eyeshadow, you wanna tap 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 your brush, just so you have all that fallout excess off your brush. Because if you go in your eyeshadow and you go straight into your face, then it's gonna fall and it's gonna get annoying, and you're gonna be like, oh my god, Bree, what to do? And I'm like, I gotta help you, sis, but I'm about to help you right now, so pay attention. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start off in the middle, working circular motions. I'm going outwards. You really could get all messy and stuff right here because the fun has just begun. So, and you want to have your mirror looking down. Like, I can't really explain it, but you want to look down into your mirror when you're doing this, and because you don't want any cracks, because crack is whack.
Crack is whack.
And if you have cracks in your concealer, it's not gonna look right. So, and let me know if y'all like my setup with my flower in the background and my lashes. From who? Me. bebreezycosmetics.com. That's the website. You can go check it out. Get you some lashes. We got all type of lashes. We got lashes for dramatic people. We got lashes for classy people. We got lashes for, you know, I just wanna put some lashes on, but I wanna watch Netflix and chill type of lashes. We got all the lashes that you imagine, you know. So, and eventually I will come out with some cosmetics. That's why I named my line cosmetics, because I want more than lashes. So, y'all stay tuned for that. Next is deepen crease with dark brown, but we're gonna go back into the crayon case palette and use brown. This is the Jaclyn Hill GH32 brush, and she said deepen into crease. If y'all know what the crease is, it's just like, you know, right here. Like, do your eyes like that. Y'all see that line right there? That is your crease for y'all beginners. Also, tip: patting motion really helps, better than the circle motions. Like, watch how pigmented it is before. Well, let me show y'all how it looks when you do the swirl motions. Like, watch. You're gonna swirl. Y'all see how faded it is? But watch when you tap. See that? See that, sis? Yes, hunty. So we're gonna tap. We're not gonna swirl today. We're not swirling. This is not a game. No, ma'am. While we at, I don't know how long we're in the video. Was y'all subscribed yet? Did y'all subscribe yet? If you did, comment that you subscribed. If you didn't, just let me know what's the problem. You can't find it. Is that the problem? What's the problem? We're gonna take that first brush and we're gonna go in the tan. Don't forget to tap that off, and to clean that harsh line off. I don't know if she did this, but I'm doing it. Step 4, it says cut crease and ensure it's smooth before applying shadow. Alright, so let me tell y'all, I'm about to cut the crease. I've been practicing, okay, my crease, and it's been good. Like, I did a little purple look, you know. Let me show y'all like this. Yes. If y'all want a video on how I did that look, comment down below and let me know. Or just give this video a thumbs up. Whatever your preference is. But I've been searching on YouTube and searching. If you want to know something, what you do, you go on YouTube. You don't even have to Google no more. So before I cut the crease, I want to show y'all these brushes. These brushes and how I got them flat. I will link the video down from who I got it from. I can't remember her name right now, but she is a lifesaver. She is the one that made my cut creases look bomb, like just bomb. Alright, I can't really talk when I do my cut crease, so I might play some music or something, but here we go. So I try my best to get them looking just alike, but I don't know. I think it's decent. Next is add beige with a pink undertone. I had the Jaclyn Hill palette. Sorry if it's messy, but you know, makeup artists, they're not good. And I'm gonna take the third one at the top. I'll highlight it for y'all. This one is the Morphe M433 brush. Alright, so I'm just going to use the same Morphe brush, the Morphe M44 brush, and go back into that dark brown in the crayon palette. And we're going to darken this up. And we're going to tap. So to make our liner, we're gonna put some tape. Alright, so I didn't go into the red, was not showing up. It was making me mad. So I went in the magenta and I sprayed it with some spray, and I'm just making a normal red wing liner. add glitter with glitter primer. I use lash glue. I like lash glue too, so that's what I'm gonna do. The glitters I'm using today is from a friend of mine. Her name is Breezy, and she has her own cosmetic line. These are her glitters. It's so pretty. Okay, let me put it on so I drop it. I'm gonna be very upset. We're gonna take some glue. We're gonna put it all over the red. Yeah, it's okay if I put if I get lash glue and then the actual lashes, because all you gotta do is comb them out. Oh my god, look how pretty it is. Oh my god, oh my goodness, this is about to be the most messiest, prettiest. Oh my god, oh my god, Debrianne, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Debrianne, you did it. You did it. You did it, girl. You did it. Okay everyone, that was the end of my video. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and shout out to Lea again. I hope I pronounced your name right, but shout out to her again. If y'all want to see more looks, more of me doing recreation looks, or me just doing any type of look or any type of video, let me know, and I'll see y'all again next time. Don't forget to be breezy. Bye.